Wooden easels can be used for a number of situations, whether it's for displaying or painting art, presentations, events, such as a wedding, or other uses. They can be rather expensive though. Wood easels can range from prices of anywhere starting from $25 up to $200, $300. Today I'm going to show you how to build your very own wood easel for under $10. Let's build. I stopped at the local lumberyard and bought a 1x1 6 board and ripped it down into 3 different pieces. I also bought the hardware to put the actual easel together. Here I'm taking my time, being very careful as I use the saw, making sure to rip down the pieces to equal width so that I have a nice balanced canvas support. After finishing the cuts, the first thing I needed to do was to determine the angle in which I wanted the 2 major legs to go on. So I put them against the board and made a mark on the middle piece so that I knew exactly where to cut the angles. Placing each board side by side, I used a right angle to draw a line to make sure I knew exactly where to line up the screws. Carefully, I laid the pieces side by side in the angles in which they would be assembled, and I drilled a hole following the lines that I had previously drawn straight through each piece to make sure that they would be aligned. And then I'm going to actually attach those 3 pieces together. Using the butterfly screw approach was extremely helpful because it added a great deal of tension to the wood and the different legs, and so I was able to angle the easel in different positions relatively simple and stabilize it with the uses of the butterfly screw. The next thing I'm going to do is make adjustments to the height adjuster for the support bracket. Then I'm going to drill my holes along the pre-drilled holes just to make sure that it's adjustable up and down. Then I'm going to attach those with the butterfly screws, and then I'm going to install the actual canvas support with glue. After roughly 30 minutes or so, the glue has set. Then I'll add the protective finish. The only thing left to do is to start displaying your artwork or preparing your artwork for painting. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more DIY projects from me. Enjoy.